March 2nd, 2010. I'm right here about maybe 300 feet north at most of the Barstow Savannah line and just north of Joslin, Illinois. And this is a steam locomotive replica I seen here, made out of a couple 55-gallon drums and some other creative devices that's here on this property of a man who was nice enough to give me permission to come here and film this and see it. As I said, the Barstow Savannah line's in the background, about 300 feet tops. I'm in hopes a train would come by, but I can't stand here for very long as I am on private property. I have to take what I can get. And thankfully, by the good graces of this landowner, I'm here able to get this video and some snapshots.